How fast can I solve that 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube? Is it 5 minutes? 10 minutes? 15 minutes? Or less than a minute? First, we have to scramble it well, this 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. I am not a speed cuber, I am just an average Rubik's cuber. I played this Rubik's Cube just for fun. In solving this Rubik's Cube, first is you have to solve the first layer, next is the second layer, and the last one is the top layer, which is the third layer. First thing to consider is you have to choose what color are you going to assemble first. Before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to keep updated of my next videos. We are about to start on how fast can I solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. Let's start. First is we have to solve the first layer. I'm going to choose white. First layer already solved, then we have to solve the second layer. We have to find the blue red. Blue red is here. Just put this one. For about a minute. Then we have to solve the top layer. Almost 2 minutes. And it's solved. This is my official time, 1 minute and 46 seconds. I already solved the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get updated of my next videos. Thank you for watching. This is my alter ego. To God be the glory.